In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best bold discount codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's get into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for bold promo codes. And as you can see right here, we have a bunch of different websites that we can choose from. And for example, you can choose the very first option right here, which is Wolfchair. And as you can see, we have at least three different type of discounts and promo codes. For example, if I want to select this deal right here, simply tap on get discount option. So as you can see, this is the deal that we choose and we'll get 10% off. And in order to get this discount, simply select right here, go to bold, and the discount will be applied automatically. Uh, Also, if you scroll down a little bit right here on your Google search, you should be able to find this website, which is called withrish.com. And right here, you can also see that there are plenty of promo codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get a 20% off your first ride, simply copy this discount code right here. And if you use this code on your first ride, you will get 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.